Lynn to put his foot down to get it off in the end. So
the racing continuing then on the iconic main straight here at Monza. Vandoorne might have set the fastest lap of the race, but he's got Alex Lynn all over him. And Lynn is through, and there might be contact, and it is in a big way. Lynn and Sirotkin making contact into the first chicane.
Side ahead, didn't worry about them anyway. Here we go, so it's the second two cars here. You've got Sirotkin, that's Cecotto that Sirotkin's passing, who's had a drive-through, not in the race really. Lynn on the outside, brakes later than Vandoorne, but he's got nowhere to go. Chucks it up the inside just to try and get out the way, but Sirotkin turns in, and that's a crash all of Alex Lynn's making, I'm afraid.
Sirotkin would have been so surprised. He's made the move, and then suddenly, bang, into the side of him comes the Dams car. So lucky not to flip over from the impact.
Yeah, he was, and he's just been focusing solely on Vandoorne at the braking point here. This is Sirotkin's view. He's going to know nothing about this. He thinks he's done an easy move on Cecotto. Brake, nice and calm, very easy, turn it in, and then suddenly, bam, he turns out at the last moment. He sees what's happened, but there's just nothing he can do. That's Lynn. I mean, he's not trying to pass Sirotkin at all. He's just gone in way too deep, trying to pass Vandoorne, and had nowhere to go in the end. He's just, yeah, really, really overcooked that one.
Hands off the steering wheel, two wheels off the ground. Thankfully not flipping, but out of contention to win the race, the feature race here in Monza. As we see the dramatic collision between Lynn, and we see Sirotkin will not be able to continue. He is very slow indeed, going through Curva Grande.